Hello everyone, welcome to my channel dedicated to everything related to broiler poultry farming. Here we share our experience and expertise on raising healthy broiler chickens from day old to marketing. Whether you're a seasoned farmer or just starting out, we've got you covered with tips, tricks and valuable insights to help you succeed. So hit that subscribe button and join our community of broiler poultry farmers today. Thank you for subscribing. Let's dive in today's topic. Layers versus broilers. Which one should you choose? Poultry farming is a common practice that involves the breeding of chickens for meat and egg production. Farmers often face the dilemma of choosing between layers and broilers, which can lead to regret and frustration due to a lack of beginner's guide. Therefore, it is important to conduct proper research before choosing the breed of chickens to rear. The most common commercial hybrid for layers are Hubbard, Chavez, Babcock, Isa Brown, and Irene, while Cornish Cross, Loss 308, and Cobb are the common broiler breeds. Layers and broilers differ in terms of their purpose and growth rate, space requirement, writing, feed recovery from loss, and profitability. Layers are primarily layered for egg production, while broilers are layered for meat production. Layers require enough space and adequate lighting, while broilers require conditions that promote fast growth and raw mortalities. Layers require restricted and calculated feed, while broilers need food that is rich in protein and vitamins. Recovery from loss with layers is time-consuming and expensive, while it is easier with broilers due to their fast growth rate. You can make more profit with a few broilers, while you require a large number of layers to make a profit. Apart from the difference stated above, other factors to consider when choosing between layers and broilers include marketing, vaccine, and medication, basic skill requirement, initial startup cost, and long-term gain. Farmers need to locate their target market before starting production, as marketing is the important skill to successful poultry farming. Broilers marketing is more intense as they attain market size within 6 to 7 weeks, and the feed conversion rate decreases with age. Farmers must look for customers before starting production to avoid food wastage and loss. Broiler chickens can also be processed into frozen chickens for storage if you can afford a deep freezer. Layers are easier to market than broilers, although it takes time to get them to a marketable size or point of lay. Eggs are a primary source of income and they can be stored up to 3 to 4 weeks without spoiling. Layers require more vaccines and medication due to their extended lifespan, unlike broilers, which attain market size within a short period. Some of the diseases that affect broilers include Newcastle, Gumbolo, and coccidiosis, which can be prevented with vaccines. In contrast, layers are prone to more diseases and require more medication to stay healthy. In summary, choosing between layers and broilers requires an informative decision based on various factors, including marketing, vaccine, and medication, basic skill requirement, initial startup cost, and long-term gain. Thank you for watching. We hope you find this video informative and helpful in your journey to become a successful broiler poultry farmer. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks. And as always, happy farming. Bye-bye.